darlings, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm excited to share my recent Shein haul for my upcoming spring vacation in Europe. During my trip, I'll be traveling for 35 days and visiting iconic cities like London, Amsterdam, and Barcelona. So I decided to put together a more capsule-like wardrobe, and I chose these pieces to capture the essence of each city's style while staying chic and comfortable. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below, so let's get started. First up, we have this beige sweatshirt and pant set, which I'm currently wearing. It's super soft and comfortable, so I'm planning on wearing it during my flight. Another lounge set we have is this white one here, and I just love the texture on it. It's also super lightweight and breathable. I fell in love with this beautiful dress for exploring the streets of Paris. I think it will look so pretty in front of the Eiffel Tower. I plan to style it with a long sleeve blouse and maybe some tights depending on the weather. Next, we have this black corduroy dress, which is really great because it shouldn't wrinkle at all. And of course, I'll style it with a white turtleneck. Another dress we have is this tan one here, which just so happens to be from the Shein Frenchie collection, which is one of my favorite collections on Shein. I really like how simple and flowy it is. It's just really good for everyday wear. After that, we have this maxi ruffle hem redwood dress, which I think is gonna be really great for wearing in any of the more modest areas because it completely covers my shoulders and knees. Now we have this smocked olive green dress, which is a bit shorter than the previous dress. It also has shorter sleeves, and I think it'll be great for just walking around and sightseeing, and I can pair it with my denim jacket if it's a bit chillier that day. Now for one of my favorite dresses ever, we have this puffy sleeve smocked black dress, which looks super flattering on me. When the weather's a bit warmer, I have this beautiful blue and white striped dress here. I found that this item is super popular on Shein and tends to go out of stock often, so I got really lucky with this one. Another dress we have is this really lovely blue embroidered white kind of baby doll dress, and I think it's going to look really great in Greece. You might be able to see a bit of a pattern going on with the blue and white. It's just one of my favorite color combinations. So I have another puffy sleeve smocked dress. This one here has a floral print. Now let's jump into tops. We have this super soft white tee that I can wear with literally anything. The fit is perfect, and I know it'll be a staple in my wardrobe. A few more essentials I got were this crisp white button-up and this relaxed button-up blouse. This blue and white button-up blouse is another staple that I just didn't own before, and I think it would be so great in Italy. The weather in most of the places I'll be visiting is expected to be anywhere from 40 to 70 degrees, which is quite a large range, so I did pick up a few sweaters like this tan crew neck one here. This mock neck beige sweater is like my new favorite sweater ever. It's super soft and versatile. I highly recommend it. In addition, we have this striped sweater, which is just so European, and I really like the zipper feature. To add some versatility to my wardrobe abroad, I have these two darker sweaters. This one with a mix of different brown tones, and this one is such a beautiful, rich mocha brown color. Next, I love how versatile this cream sweater is. It can be dressed up with a skirt for a fancy dinner or paired with jeans for a casual day out. Which brings me to this skirt. It's so nice and flowy. I really love this one. Last but not least for sweaters is this chunky knit sweater. Here's how it looks styled with the crisp white button-up and tan trousers. As for the tan trousers, these are so chic and sophisticated, and it'll be nice to wear something other than jeans. Speaking of jeans, I have a regular wash, light wash, white, and black, all of which are high-waisted and straight leg. The regular wash are loose and baggy, one of the most comfortable pair of jeans I've ever worn. The light wash are super soft and fit me really well, especially in length. The white jeans are so crisp and clean and will add a little bit of a different look to each of my outfits. The black jeans are good, I just wish that they didn't attract so much fuzz because I'll need to lint roll them regularly. Finally, I got this black double-breasted belted overcoat. It is so stylish. Unfortunately, it's not the softest material, but it's still going to make everything that I wear with it look so elevated. Thanks so much for watching my Shein haul for my upcoming spring vacation. I hope you enjoyed some of the pieces I picked out and found some inspiration for your own travels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and fashion content. See you next time!